In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Kit email templates. We're going to walk through the full process together, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a polished, on-brand email template that you can reuse over and over again. First, open the latest Kit interface and head to the area where you manage your email templates. In the main navigation, look for the Send section, and then choose Email Templates. This is your home base for creating and editing all of your reusable layouts. Once you're there, you have two options. If you want to start from scratch, click the button to create a new email template. If you already have one that's close to what you need, select that existing template to edit it instead. Reusing a template can save a lot of time, especially if your branding is already dialed in. With a template open, focus on the sidebar. This is where you control your global styles, which are the settings that apply across the entire email, not just one section. Under General Styles, you can change the background color to match your brand, adjust the email width so it looks good on both desktop and mobile, and tweak the border radius to give your email sharper corners or softer, rounded edges. These small design choices make a big difference in how professional your emails feel. Next, look for the typography settings in that same sidebar. Here you'll set the default font, size, and color for your body text, headings, and links. It's a good idea to choose a body font that's clean and easy to read, and then use a slightly larger or bolder style for headings, so your content is clearly structured. For links, pick a color that stands out but still fits your brand. You'll also see options for buttons. This controls your primary call-to-action style across the whole template. Set the button color, shape, and font so that your main action, like Shop Now or Learn More, is consistent in every email that uses this template. By defining this globally, you don't have to restyle buttons every time you build a new campaign. Now scroll down to the footer area and click into it to edit. Here, you can update your physical address and customize the text that appears next to your unsubscribe option. Use the unsubscribe link shortcode provided in the editor so the link works correctly, but feel free to adjust the surrounding wording to match your brand's tone while still staying compliant. While you're in the template, this is also the perfect time to add any static content that should appear in every email. That might include your logo at the top or a social media snippet in the footer with icons linking to your main profiles. Adding these elements at the template level ensures they show up automatically in every email built from this design. Once you're happy with your styles, footer, and static content, go to the top right corner and click Save. Make sure you always save before leaving the page so you don't lose your changes. And that's the full process for customizing your Kit email templates in the latest UI.